It's time to meet those resolutions and start using essential oils to make your home toxin-free.
What a better way to start off the new year with our recipe box. This month's theme is personal care.
This is the perfect way to start out your year making your home and lifestyle less toxic. Let's take a look at what's in the box.
Each recipe box comes with 4 full-size essential oils plus 6 recipes to make your home toxin-free.
Our 4 full-size essential oils are Citrus Burst Essential Oil, which is a burst of happiness in a bottle using citrus essential oils. It's so uplifting, you're gonna love it. Clary Sage, floral and herbal, famous for supporting female health. Patchouli, which has a rich musky aroma. Pine, which has a great scent for winter. It's a natural deodorizer. Each box also comes with 6 recipe cards plus labels. And we've got some really fun extras in this month's box to help you make your recipes. A deodorant tube, body powder puff, zinc oxide, and kaolin clay. We'll be using these ingredients in our recipes to make your home toxin-free.
And as a new subscriber, you get a big bonus box! Yay! So inside your big bonus box, it comes with beeswax, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, solid coconut oil, 6 of the 10 milliliter roll-ons to make all of your roll-on recipes, and 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles to make all of your diffuser blends.
Shiloh, what's your favorite recipe from this month's box?
Mine's gotta be the all-natural deodorant, plus I really like the label.
My favorite recipe from this month's box is our Joy Solid Perfume. It's a solid perfume recipe that melts on the skin to make you smell beautiful and support emotions of joy.
To get this box, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
It's gonna feel like Christmas all over again once this box comes to your door.
Thanks for watching.
New year, new year.